My name is Nicholas Johnson, this is the Sony a7S III, and we're at the Space Warehouse. Normally, when you want to shoot a little bit of B-roll in super slow motion, you have to sacrifice a little bit of quality. You'd have to shoot in 1080p and there needs to be a lot of light. With this camera though, after the YouTube compression tax, there is no noticeable difference in the video quality. In fact, I'm shooting in 4K 120 right now. Ooh. I took this camera out to Daytona International Speedway this past weekend to shoot some interview footage for an amateur race I'm covering. And during a rain delay, I made my way through the garages where all the pit crews are just hanging around waiting, and I took some of what would normally be the most boring B-roll footage you could think of. The garages weren't particularly well lit and no one was really doing anything, but buttery smooth 4K and 120 frames per second has this magical effect of turning anything you shoot into a beer commercial. Check it out, the People of Champcar. I'm shocked, I'm inspired, and if you found this video because you're on the search to discover whether the 4K slow-mo is worth paying $3,500 for, it is. In 120 FPS, all the camera features continue to work the way you expect them to, the eye autofocus is totally locked on, object tracking works perfectly. The file sizes are obviously a little bit unruly, and if you don't have a fairly powerful computer, you may want to edit with proxy files. But the end result is every bit as good as I hoped it would be. This has been the Sony Alpha a7S III 120 frames per second in 4K test. Goodbye.